Hi, well, good morning.
Good morning.
We have just arrived in Grand Turk, and we got delayed because the Spirit's next to us, but I'll show you that in a second. So today we're just going to get over here. We're going to go to Jack's Shack.
You say Jack Shack.
Jack Shack.
Somebody told us to go to this week.
So we brought you everything else here. We brought you Margaritaville. We brought you the space capsule. We brought you all that before. So we're going to walk on down to Jack Shack, and I'll show you how we're going to get there.
And we might get in this beautiful water. It's so pretty here. It's one of my favorites as far as the water goes.
Alrighty. Alright, so what we're going to do is we're going to get off the ship right here at the port. We're going to walk down that beach. You can also go by the main road a little further inland. That's Jimmy Buffett's. We've already showed you all that. And then we're going to go all the way down there is where we believe it is. Right there. So we're going to go down there and we'll bring that to you when we get there. Now if you notice the water here, I told you before, make sure you bring water shoes. As you can see the water right there, and this is where the beach is at. It's pretty much all rocky. So you got to be pretty careful when you go out into the water. You can't see a lot of it. So, all right, we'll see you when we get down the other end of the beach. Alright, this is the Carnival Spirit. That ship has been everywhere. Australia, Alaska. Goes to a lot of places. It's the sister ship to the Pride, the Miracle. And the difference, as I'm going to show you here, is this ship can fit into Tampa. And that's what the Pride is, the sister ship. And the reason being is, you see the size of the ships aren't really that much bigger. We're a little wider than they are. But notice the funnel, how high our funnel is, how low their funnel is. And that's why they can go into Jacksonville, Tampa. And we'll be on the Pride in about 3 weeks, which is the sister ship to this. Notice they got two middle pools, and right between there's a bar, and they can close this one off. All right, we're heading out. All right, it's balcony cleaning day. So what they do is they don't come in your cabin, they just open up all these doors and they walk on down through, drag a hose with them, and they clean the balconies. But anyway, back to the Spirit. I'm not really sure what that's accomplishing. As it gets closer down that way, it goes. But over here, when you get close to the ship. Making our way down the pier. And then we're going to go left all the way down the beach.
Beautiful.
You know, the south side is where the capsule is. There's a little thing over there showing where the capsule had landed, right off their coast. And then you go into the duty-free shops.
By the way, if anybody uses TripAdvisor here, talk about me, just say the DJ if you don't know my name.
Alright, still making our way down. There's a perspective. I talk about prime waterfront property just going to waste. See, the roofs are all dilapidated. These are all abandoned houses. Sure, a storm caused that somewhere down the line. All right, made our way down, and lo and behold, there's Jack's shack. All right, so 2 chairs and an umbrella here are $23. Not bad. All right, so there's your distance from Margaritaville, which is at the end of the pier. That's how far of a walk it is here to Jack's shack. And it is a shack. Here's the menu for Jack's. I'll freeze that because it's going to pick up the song and it's going to copyright it. But they claim that the jerk chicken is really, really good here. And here is the beach area. Now, a lot of people have already left. They're heading back to the big ships. There's 2 ships there, actually. You can't see the other. We got the crazy woman in front of the Jack's Shack sign. But it is a fun place. It's a ways from all the hoopla down there at Jimmy Buffett's. What a great place. Come on down here and enjoy yourself at Jack's Shack. All right, here we are at Jack's Shack. Best, absolutely best Caribbean jerk chicken you could ever get. We had a great time. Here's the best part about it is the beach is not rocky here. It's all sand all the way out. So make sure you come here to Jack's Shack. Now, the only negative about the whole thing was the line to get food. That was pretty much it, but the food was delicious. Absolutely, if you love jerk chicken. So make sure you come here to Jack's, yeah, whatever. Jack's Shack. Beers are about $7 a piece if you get a beer. $36 if you get a bucket, so that's your best deal if you're gonna drink a bucket. Alrighty, enjoy. All right, bye little buddy. We're heading out. I know you live here.
Nice to meet you.
I'd love to shake hands with you too, bud.
Nice to meet
Shake
you,
hands.
baby.
Shake hands. Come on.
Give me Paul.
Shake
Give me
hands,
Paul.
Paul. We'll see you later, bud. Thanks for everything. Thanks for buying the beers. All right, that's a full boat going back. Not sure where they're going. Yep. And there you are, the spirit and the magic. All right, here we are back at Margaritaville. Everybody pretty much has left the building, like Terry. They've left the building. All right, so we're fixing to head back. Gonna go back to the ship and drink for free. Flow rider ain't been open all day. But I broke my neck on. When we come to Grand Turk, we always try to find a video with a, hold on, let me get this right, a perfect stranger. And right now, nobody around here looks very fun. So,
Not perfect anyway.
not perfect like this sweetheart. But anyway, so we're gonna find a perfect stranger to take a video with for Party of Two Cruising. All right, here we are with Kat, perfect stranger, who, by the way, right here, baby, a veteran. Today is November 11th, Veterans Day, and thank God for people like her that keep us safe. USA. So anyway, you having fun?
I'm having an absolute great time.
Dag
Sorry
up.
I have to go home on Sunday, but
I know.
that's all good.
Why you gotta bring that up, Kat? Why you gotta depress us? All right, so anyway, so what's your favorite YouTube channel?
Party of Two.
That's it, Party of Two Cruising, right here from Kat, military veteran. Thank you for everything you do. Here I'm here with Kat's husband. Your name is?
Steve,
Steve, and he put his life on the line because he is?
a UBS driver. And she's not my wife.
Yep, and she put her life on the line, and he is a die-hard UPS driver.
Right, I'd support your ass while she's gone.
Oh, wait. Hey, this is Kat. I'm daring him to get in the wading pool, the
You
fountain.
don't dare Pat
Kat.
from
Kat,
Kat to
Kat,
do anything.
Navy veteran here. I'm daring him to get in there. All right, he
In the
did it.
fountain, Kat.
Ta-da! Ta-da!
Sam is everywhere.
yeah.
He's like the Dr. Seuss of Carnival. Sam is everywhere.
This is how we do it, my friend. This is how we do it. Give me a hug. Give me a hug. Oh, yeah.
You're cruising, Sam.
I love you guys. I love you guys. You are the best. You are the best. Thank you so much.
That's kind of weird.
Thank you so much, my friend.
Hey, babe, what's your favorite ship?
Magic!
The Magic. And what does it create? Fun and magic. He took Terry's palm tree. Oh, great.
That's not right.
That's-
That's not
what
right.
is it, babe?
I wanted that palm tree in my picture.
All right, here's the real question. Are we leaving or is the spirit leaving? Let me know in the comments which one's leaving. Are we backing up or are they actually just pulling out forward? Let me know. I'll let you watch it for a minute more. Okay, 30 seconds more. Who's leaving? Who's staying? Oh, there's a lot of smoke coming out of there, like power's being applied. Could it be them? Could it be us? It was worse. I didn't get up here in time. It was totally coming out of the pool. There we go. I knew it was you. I told her it was you. She said no. All right, we're going to dinner.
We're
We're at dinner.
And we had a great day in Grand Turk. Lots of fun.
Where'd we go?
Grand Turk. We went to Jack's Shack and we loved it. We've never been there before.
Loved it.
It was amazing. Wait till you see our review on it.
We already showed you.
So we'll show you what we're getting for dinner. It's been a great day and we're having fun tonight.
And the ship is all over the place tonight.
Yeah, it's very
really
rocky.
rough.
It's very rocky.
Very rocky.
Okay.
Kind of make you almost sick.
No, not me.
Me. Terry's first appetizer, French onion soup.
baby.
My French onion soup as well. Yummy, yummy, baby. Look at it boiling. All right, my second appetizer, chicken and rice soup. Yummy, yummy. Terry got shrimp cocktail as her second appetizer. She got alligator bites as her third appetizer. I'm still working on my soup. And my third appetizer, steamed mussels. Yummy, yummy. All right, so Terry got for her appetizer the shrimp Creole.
With rice.
I got the shrimp Creole, and we are gonna share the ribs.
Pork ribs.
Pork ribs. As long as it's pork, I'll eat it. And for dessert, Terry got the apple pie a la mode, and I got the apple pie a la mode. Yummy, yummy. And happy Veterans Day. Thank you to all our military. There's my baby, got her chocolate martini. But what's next, babe? Hot chocolate.
Very good.
Why is that good right there?
Delicious.
Because it's delicious. Chocolate martini, kind of like hot chocolate. We are with Joey Bow.
Boys.
Boys. And he's from Europe, over there in England, right?
Yes, sir.
And he is a cruise director. He's pretty new.
He's fun.
And he's a big fan of Party of Two Cruising, right there,
Two
Joey?
Cruising.
Massive fun.
He's never heard of it, but that's okay.
These two The party's with these, so we're doing all right.
But anyway, Joey,
you, Joey.
great cruise director, pretty
The
new
best,
at it,
the best.
but he is the best right
Thank
now.
you, Joey.
Thank
Thank
you
you,
very
Joey.
much. Cheerio.
All right, buddy. Cheerio.
Low at the people of the street, on a windy corner on a dirty street. And when I asked him why he shines my shoes, how do you keep from getting the blues? He grinned as he raised his little head, off the shoe shine rag, and he said, "Come on, baby, let's go boot scooting. Cadillac, blackjack, baby, meet me out back on the boogie. Now get down, turn around, go down the boot scooting boogie." Remember to let her into your heart. Then you can stay. If you come in to sleep, you will get it back like for a while. In the past, sounds like the carnival.
That's funny. You can't hear the music, only they can hear it. And I don't have to worry about the song copywriting either. Although some of them got it wrong. All right, well,
We had a great day.
we did. We went to Frank's,
Jack Shot.
Jack Shack, Frank, Jack, whatever.
Had a
Anyway,
great
so
time.
we had a great time over there. So if you're going to go to Grand Turk,
Yes.
again, I told you before, the
Yes.
beaches are rocky and all that, but walk down to Jack's Shack. Jack Shack, the beach in front is like walking in sugar. You don't have to worry about the rocks. They got the best jerk chicken anywhere. And then we came back, laid by the pool, went to dinner, saw the band for a little while.
Dance, and we won on the Beatles trivia.
We did. We won all 19 of the songs
Yes, we
because
did.
we were raised in the
Yes,
60s.
we did.
So, alrighty. So anyway, so tomorrow's a sea day. No more. We don't have an excursion tomorrow. So we're staying on the ship all day.
We might play pickleball.
We're
We
gonna play
might go to the
pickleball
morning show
maybe
and see
again.
Joey.
We might go see Joey. He's an awesome cruise
I like
director, as you
Joey.
saw in the video. So he's really good, and he's new at it, but he's very good at it. So anyway, until tomorrow. Cheers.
Cheers.
Because we're having hot chocolate because
hot chocolate is so good at night. It just makes you so warm and cozy.
hot chocolate is good. Warm and cozy.
Yeah.
You didn't want me to say this, but where'd you get those glasses from? Why you got the glasses on? Now she's mad at me. I gotta go. Bye.